Hey friends, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you something really amazing. There's a powerful AI tool where you can create viral videos in just a few minutes. Whether it's for Instagram, TikTok, or for your faceless YouTube channel, you can make viral videos for any platform. But wait, here's the real deal. I'll also share the secret behind how some big YouTube channels are using this exact tool to grow fast and create awesome content. They're not doing anything crazy, just smart work with the right strategy. So, have you ever wondered that how AI YouTube channels are getting millions of views and making thousands of dollars every single month? Surprisingly, many of these channels are not run by professionals. In fact, most of them were started by beginners. People with no fancy setup, no camera crew, just a simple laptop and a big dream. So, what's their secret? Well, only a few actually follow the right steps. And in this video, I'm going to share those golden steps with you. If you're watching this right now, you're lucky. The world of YouTube automation is changing fast, and this opportunity might not last forever. Most people don't even know where to begin. Where do you get the clips? How do you make engaging videos without stealing content? And how do you avoid copyright problems? The truth is, many people just copy others and end up getting copyright strikes or even losing their channels. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Watch this video till the end because I'll walk you through everything, step by step. Now, imagine making a professional-looking video without needing a camera, an actor, or even your own voice. Sounds crazy? Not anymore. This is where Motion.com comes in. Motion is an incredible AI video tool that turns your ideas into reality within minutes. You just tell it your idea and Motion takes care of everything. Images, background music, voiceover, all done with just a few clicks. Even if you have zero experience, you can make powerful videos. Whether you're a YouTuber, a content creator, a marketer, or even a big brand, Motion.com can help you create eye-catching, viral videos with ease. It's a complete video creation platform that lets you turn simple ideas into viral videos in just a few clicks. Many successful YouTube channels you see today are actually using tools like Motion, real channels with millions of views and thousands of dollars in revenue created by beginners using only their laptops. They didn't hire editors, they didn't have a fancy studio, just a smart tool and the right approach. If you're a content creator, it gives you fast video output with less effort. If you're a marketer, you can build product ads and brand stories quickly and beautifully. If you're an educator, you can take your lecture or voice notes and turn them into powerful visual content. And if you're a beginner, guess what? You don't even need editing skills. Motion makes everything simple. Still wondering why it's so popular? Because it saves you time, boosts your creativity, and helps you scale your content fast. Most importantly, it's the perfect tool for solo creators who want to make a big impact without a big team. In today's video, I'll show you how to use two powerful features of Motion, video to video and audio to video. These features can help you make content that's not only professional, but also viral. Stay with me till the end, because this might just change the way you create videos forever. All right, so how do you start? It's super easy. You'll find the link in the description and also pinned in the comments. Just click on that link and it will take you directly to the official website of Motion.com. Once you're on the website, signing up is simple. You can use your Google account or choose any sign-up method that feels right for you. After signing up, you'll land on a clean and simple dashboard. And from here, the real fun begins. You'll see powerful features like general creation, faceless short videos, bilingual stories, and many more options to explore. Each one is designed to help you create unique, professional videos in just a few clicks. And hey, if you scroll down a little on the dashboard, you'll find the public gallery. This is where real users from around the world have shared the videos they created using Motion. It's amazing to see how people are using this tool with their creativity. You can watch these videos for inspiration, or even remix them to create something of your own. Just by looking at these clips, you'll realize how powerful this tool really is, and how awesome the final results can be. So, let's move ahead. Once you're on the dashboard, you simply need to click on the General Creation option. Next, you'll see three different options. First one is Generate from Prompt. If you've got a random idea or concept in mind, just type it in and the tool will instantly generate a full video script for you. super quick and easy. Second option is use my content. If you already have a script ready, you can simply paste it here and turn it into a video with just a few clicks. And the third option, which we'll be using today, lets you upload an audio file or a voice recording. Motion takes your voice and turns it into a complete video with visuals, music, and everything else you need. Whether it's a lecture, a story, or just a voice note, it works perfectly. In this video, we are talking about the third option, use my recording. With this feature, you can either record your audio or video directly on the platform or simply upload an existing file. It works great if you've got a story saved as an audio file, or maybe a video that already includes a voiceover. Once your file is uploaded, Motion will automatically turn it into a full visual story. You can even add background music or any other kind of audio, and the platform will generate a stunning video to match. So whether it's a personal story, a narrative, or even just a music track, this feature lets you create an entire visual experience in just a few clicks. Now, let's take a practical look at how this works. First, let's try out the video-to-video feature. Let's say you have a video where someone's narrating a story, and you want to turn that into a more visual and engaging version. Also, here's the cool part. You can upload any video or audio that's less than 5 minutes long, and once it's uploaded, select the ratio and visual style for your video, then click on Transcribe, and the tool does the rest, transforming your narration into a compelling visual experience. This will start generating the storyboard for your video. It might take a few moments, but once it's ready, you'll see the complete visual layout of your story. If any image doesn't look quite right, no problem, you can easily regenerate it. You also have full control to adjust and customize everything, making sure the visuals match your vision perfectly. If you want to give your video a more professional touch, you can use the animate option to bring scenes to life with smooth animations. Just a heads up, this feature may use a few more of your credits, but even if you skip animation, the platform still adds dynamic motion to your scenes, which looks great on its own. At this stage, you can also make final edits like adding subtitles, titles, visual effects, and scene transitions. Everything is fully customizable, so you can tweak it to fit your style. And of course, don't forget the music. You'll find a wide selection of background tracks to set the perfect mood for your video. Once you're happy with everything, just click Next to move ahead. Now your story will now start generating into a full video. Once your video is ready, you'll be able to preview it right here.
Once upon a time, there was an orange cat who never slept. While other cats closed their eyes in the sun, this cat ran on rooftops, looked at the stars, and listened to the wind. The animals in the village said, this cat is a little strange. But one night, something happened. A tiny chick got lost. Everyone was sleeping. Only the orange cat was awake. He followed the peep-peep sound, jumped over a fence, and found the little chick under a leaf. In the morning, the animals smiled and said, "He saved her." And from that day on, they called him the Night Guard.
And if you're happy with the result, simply click on the download button to save it directly to your device. So now let's explore another amazing feature of Motion, the audio to video conversion. This feature is truly magical. Imagine this. You just have a simple audio, no editing, no fancy tools, and Motion turns it into a beautiful, engaging video automatically. You don't even need any video editing skills. This feature is perfect for everyone, whether you're a content creator, a teacher, a business owner, or even just someone who wants to share a story or a message in a visual way. Just go to General Creation and then use my recording option. Here you have two simple methods to use this feature. Method 1 is record your audio directly in Motion. Just hit the record button, start speaking, and Motion will automatically turn your voice into a visual video. This is super useful if you want to share a personal story, your thoughts of the day, record a podcast, or even create an educational presentation. And yes, it even works with external sounds like music, speeches, or nature sounds. The second method is upload a pre-recorded audio file. If you already have an audio file like a voice note, a podcast, a story, or even your favorite song, just upload it. Motion will take it from there and quickly generate a stunning video. You can even choose the visual style and make changes as you like. In this video, we're using this second method, uploading an audio file. And in the end, we'll show you the final result.
Once upon a quiet night, a white rabbit looked up at the sky and gasped. "The moon is gone," he said. He ran through the fields, asking everyone, "Did you see the moon?" The dog barked. The owl said, "Woo!" The cow just kept chewing. So the rabbit climbed the tallest hill, Theta, and waited. After a while, the clouds moved away, and the moon came back. The rabbit smiled and said, "You scared me, moon. Don't hide again." Now on every clear night, the little white rabbit still sits on that hill, just to make sure the moon is still there.
The best part? All of this takes just a few minutes. No extra software, no editing skills, and no stress. It's fast, easy, and works perfectly for all kinds of content, whether it's for education, storytelling, music, or social media. So, ready to turn your voice into visuals? Let's do it. And now, let's quickly check out the different plans Motion offers. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or just someone who loves bringing stories to life, Motion makes it incredibly easy to turn audio into high-quality videos. No tech skills needed. With flexible pricing plans available, you can choose the one that fits your needs and start creating in just a few clicks. And here's the exciting part. If you want to try Motion for yourself, just click the link in the video description or the pinned comment below. It'll take you straight to Motion, where you can begin your video creation journey today. Seriously, once you try it, you'll be amazed at how effortless and fun it is to create stunning content. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos like this. That way, you'll always stay updated with the latest tools and tips to level up your content game. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one with another awesome tool to explore. Until then, take care and goodbye.